At KOTUG, we don't just follow innovation, no, we're actually leading it. Our drone services are changing the game in tug and terminal operations, bringing more safety, more speed and more precision to every job.
Let's start with the line transfer. Traditionally, passing a tow line between a vessel and a tug requires close contact handovers. With drones, we eliminate that risk. No need for physical proximity. Just a clean, efficient transfer from the air.
The same goes for mooring. In offshore environments, like FPSOs, drones help us to connect lines quickly and safely, even in challenging conditions.
And in emergencies or salvage situations, drones give us a huge advantage. Instead of deploying a helicopter or putting people at risk, we can deliver the tow lines fast, with no delay and no danger.
We also use drones for inspections, safely accessing areas that are hard to reach without the need for scaffolding or shutdowns. It's faster, safer and much more efficient. And the benefits are clear. We reduce the risk to our crew. We speed up complex operations and we enhance the service we offer to our clients, both onshore and also offshore.
These drone operations are already active, in Guyana for example, where we have excellent results.
It's a very powerful addition to our portfolio, and it's another example of how we go beyond by exceeding expectations and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in maritime services.